Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup annuity statements with TIAA, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the TIAA website. Log into your TIAA account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab in the main menu. Click on the Accounts tab to view your annuity information. Find the section labeled Statements or Documents. Click on Statements to access your annuity statements. Choose the specific annuity statement you wish to back up. Review the options available for that statement. Select the desired date range or specific statement year. Click on the Download or Print option associated with the statement. If downloading, choose the file format you prefer, such as PDF. Once the statement is downloaded, check your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure it has downloaded correctly. For added security, consider backing up the statement to a cloud storage service. You can also print the statement for your physical records. Repeat these steps for any additional annuity statements you wish to back up. Remember to log out of your TIAA account once you are finished. This ensures your personal information remains secure. You have now successfully backed up your annuity statements with TIAA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.